Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of AB where square root of A plus square root of B is equal to square root of 603 and AB are natural number, or square root of A plus square root of B is equal to 603 can be written as 3 square times 67, or square root of A plus square root of B is equal to, this square cancel out this square root, so it will be remaining 3 square root of 67, or divided both side by square root of 67, we can write here square root of A over square root of 67 plus square root of B over square root of 67 is equal to 3 square root of 67 over square root of 67. Or here we can write square root of A over 67 plus square root of B over 67 is equal to, this square root of 67 cancel out this square root of 67, so it will be remaining 3. Now attention here. Here right side is integer. For integer solution, left side will be also integer. That's why A over 67 will be perfect square and B over 67 will be also perfect square. So consider A over 67 is equal to x square and B over 67 is equal to y square, or multiplying by 67 we can write here A is equal to 67x square and here B is equal to 67y square. Now substituting this and this value by this equation, A over 67 is equal to x square, so it will be remaining square root of x square, and B over 67 is equal to y square, so it will be remaining square root of y square is equal to 3. Or this square cancel out this square root, so here x plus this square cancel this square root, so it will be remaining y is equal to 3. Here x and y are non-negative integer, so possible combination x comma y, when x is equal to 0, y will be remaining 3, and when x is equal to 1, y will be remaining 2, and when x is equal to 2, y will be remaining 1, and when x is equal to 3, then y will be remaining 0. Or for this value of A and B will be, when x is equal to 0, then A is equal to 0, and when B is equal to, when y is equal to 3, then B is equal to 67 times 3 square, so it will be remaining 603. Or when x is equal to 1, then A is equal to 67, and when y is equal to 2, then b is equal to 67 times 2 square, so it will be remaining 268. When x is equal to 2, it will be remaining 268, and when y is equal to 1, it will be remaining 67, and when x is equal to 3, it will be remaining 603, and when y is equal to 0, it will be remaining b is equal to 0. So this is the value of a and b. Thank you for the watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.